Hello everyone, we're in WAMAP Unit 4.2. This is Lesson A, Probability and Plotting Points, and this one is Basic Probability. In this problem we're asked to take a bag of M&Ms that has 8 red, 3 green, 6 blue, and 4 yellow M&Ms. And they're asking, what is the probability of randomly picking 1. A yellow, 2. One that is not a green, 3. An orange. So we're going to go work through these. This is fairly simple. Let's take a look at the tablet. So we have a bag of M&Ms that has 8 red, 3 green, 6 blue, and 4 yellow M&Ms. The odds of a yellow, well, we want to know what are the odds of picking a yellow, of which there are 4 yellow, and how many are there total? There's 8 plus 3, which is 11, plus 6 is 17, plus 4 more is 21. We've got 21. So the odds are 4 out of 21. Since there are 4, if you drew 4 times, you would be sure to get, well, almost sure to get one. These fractions the probability is written out as a fraction, and you should reduce your fractions to the lowest. Just simplify them completely. So 4 and 21 don't have any factors in common. They're co-prime, so this is your first answer, 4 out of 21. All right, let's see the odds of it not being a green one. So non-green ones, let's count the non-green ones. We have 8 plus 6, that's 14, plus 4 more, that's 18. So we're choosing out of, we've got 18 possibilities that are not green, and we've got 21 total. And I can see my tablet's not updating. Let's see if I can fix that. There it is. Okay. All right, so let me just try to stretch this a little bit bigger. Okay, awesome. So we have 18 that are not green. 8 plus 6 plus 4, that's 18. You can add 6 and 4, which is 10, and then 8, 18. And 21 total. So can this be reduced? So 18 and 21 can both be divided by 3. We'll get 6 over 7. So the probability is 6/7. The last one, the odds of an orange. Orange is not one of the colors in the bag, so we have basically 0 orange M&Ms out of 21. So the odds are impossible, and because they asked us in the instructions, they said give answer as a reduced fraction. So in order to simplify fully, we have to rewrite 0 out of 21 as 0. Remember that 0 over any denominator is equal to 0. So let's see how these do. All right, first one, the odds of drawing a yellow are 4 out of 21. So 4/21 is our first answer. And the second answer, if it's not green, we said it was 6 out of 7. The odds are 6/7. And orange, we decided was 0. So basically, you just count up the total number of possibilities and then specify the number of colors that you are looking for. Or in the case of number 2, a color that wasn't there. Okay, so we got all those correct. Awesome. Try a few of your own, get a similar question, and see how it goes. If you run into trouble, click the message instructor link and let me know. You don't have to say anything, just choose my name from the recipient list and click send. Let's take a look at the next problem because it's basically the same principle. We have a classic deck of cards with 52 cards. 26 are black, 26 are red. And then each color is split into 2 suits of 13 cards each. Clubs and spades are black, so we have clubs and spades, and then hearts and diamonds in the red. Each suit has 13 cards from ace, which is 1, through jack, queen, king. That's 11, 12, 13, respectively. So if we start at, if you select a card at random, what is the probability of drawing a 2 of spades? Okay, so you've got 52 cards total, and they want you to pick a specific card, 2 of spades. So that's a single card. So 2 of spades. You have a single card out of 52. You have a 1 in 52 chance of drawing that card. And change the color to black. So 2 of spades was 1 out of 52. Let me jot down the others. Spades or hearts. And then numbers smaller than 2. Okay, spades or hearts. So according to the chart, maybe it's easier to keep that up here. We have 13 spades and 13 hearts. So there's 26 chances that we could draw the right one. 26 out of 52. And these are both even, so let's reduce the fraction by 2. We'll divide 26 by 2. We get 13 over 26. And then actually 13 and 26 can both be divided by 13. So let's divide them both by 13. And we'll get 1 over 2. So our answer here is 1 out of 2. You have a 1 in 2 chance of drawing a spade or a heart. So if you were to actually lay out cards and draw one at random, every second card should be a spade or a heart. And then the last one, a number smaller than 2. So numbers smaller than 2, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 aces. 4 aces and 52 cards total. So we're trying to pick one out of these. And these are both even. So let's divide these both by 2. And we'll get 2 over 26. And those are both even, so we'll divide them both by 2 again. And we'll get 1 out of 13. So you have a 1 in 13 chance of drawing a number smaller than 2. So you would have to draw 13 times to be sure, well, not sure, but you'd have good odds. Odds would be even that you would draw an ace out of 13 draws. Okay, let's try putting our answers in. All right, so we said it was going to be 1 in 52 chance of drawing any single card that was specified. Okay, so they said here a 2 of spades. There's only 1 of those. So we have 1 out of all of these 52. So 1 over 52. And 1 and 52 don't share any factors in common. This is already reduced as far as it goes. And so this is our answer. The next one, spades or hearts. We had 13 spades plus 13 hearts. That's 26. And the total here was 52. So we've got a chance, 26 out of 52 chances of getting a spade or a heart. And when we reduce that, remember, you always want to reduce your fractions fully. They did say that up here. So give your answer as a reduced fraction. That pertains to both of them. So 26 over 52 is the same as 1/2. So you have a 1 in 2 chance of drawing one of these. So you might want to try it sometime with a deck of cards. And then a number smaller than 2, we had just these 4 aces out of 52. And then we reduce that down to 1 chance out of 13. Let's see how we did. Okay, and those were all correct. So please try these on your own. You can get a similar question and just play with this a little bit. And make sure you know how to enter fractions in the windows. And if you have any trouble with that, just click the Message Instructor button. Choose John Falconer as your recipient and just click Send. And I'll try to get back to you within 24 hours. Okay, let's take a look at the next problem.